Pinga wall panel installation. 1. Wall requirements: brick wall, cement wall, keel wall, renovation of aging paint wall, brick wall, cement wall, metal keel wall, renovation of aging paint wall. 2. Iron keel installation. According to the drawing design requirements, measure and mark the wall and install the iron keel. Figure: use a glue gun to spot glue on the iron keel. Figure: install 8mm Pinga wall panel. 3. Another way to install wooden keel installation. According to the drawing design requirements, measure and mark the wall and install the wooden keel. Figure: use a glue gun to apply structural glue on the wooden keel with a distance of 10 to 15 mm. Figure: install 8mm Pinga wall panel. Use any wooden block to press and fix it to adjust the flatness of the Pinga wall panel. Installation effect. Figure: there should be a gap between the Pinga wall panel and the Pinga wall panel, with aluminum small accessories to match. For boutique case, National Energy Group. Group. Guangzhou Women and Children's Medical Center.